Welcome to another episode of Living with EVs. My latest problem has been a tire failure. I got a screw in the tire and said, well, this should be easy fix, but nope. The tires that are on the Ioniq 5 have a foam lining inside the tire for sound deadening, and for that reason, you can't repair the tires, or at least that's what the dealer has told me. As you can see from the photo, the screw is less than a 1/4 inch wide, and from everything I've read, you should be able to repair this tire. But the construction of these tires have a foam insert all the way around the inside of the tire that is used for noise deadening. And because of that, you cannot repair the tire. The tires are Michelin primacy all-season tires. And on the inside of the tire, there's foam all the way around for sound deadening. And for that reason, they say the tire cannot be repaired. It has to be replaced. And right now, the dealer's saying it's going to take about 5 to 10 days before I can get a new tire. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you updated when I get the new tire and if it's going to cost me anything or not. Hope everything's going well for you. Catch you on the next episode. Thanks.